It's been like plus 30 the whole week. That's why it's raining now, because it's been so hot. 50s will be 500s, 20s will be 200s or 100s. Will we have plenty of amazing multipliers?
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
It's winners in settle. My congratulations. And betting time, get ready and place your bets for the next round if you want to be part of it. You got 8 options to choose. Additionally, how to play in bets, and all options are available. And do not forget to check in the game statistic down below. Good luck. I'm just at it. Crazy time, good 2x. Come on. Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, I got some news for you. This is a crazy time bonus round with nothing but 2 times multiplier. And welcome back. It's nice to see all of you here. Back to the bonus round, but you know the drill, right? First things first, we check the multipliers. Now we multiply down by the top slot multi, which is 2x. Let's go, let's double the fun. And, well, decision time starts. Green, blue, or yellow. You're gonna choose one of the floppers. Oh, we got some dumbbells in oil as well. Sweet. And 200x seems to be the highest possible multiplier at the moment. Unless we get a double. And good luck, 200x in the line, just like I mentioned. Let's do the spin.
This is the amount of money issued 634,298 euros.
30, 50, and 200x yellow flopper. Boom! Yellow is the color of the day. 7,127 winners in total. Yellow flopper got that amazing 200 times multiplier, right? Congratulations yet again to all the winners of the round. That was indeed a wonderful round to share together, because we got 30, 50.
4,178 winners. From a 994 euro win. Betting time now. Place your bets for the next round. You know. I lost against everybody. Never pachinko. When was the last pachinko? Oh, when? You can make my day 100 times better. That was smooth, sus. That was smooth. Now I hope you're gonna get 100x, you know. That was a smooth move right there. Is it crazy time? It is crazy time, everybody. Here we go. A crazy time right there, you know. Here we go. Hey, 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 hey. We go to see the penguins. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, there's a penguin right there. You see that? Guys, the movie's made. Oh, yeah, that's a crazy time. Right there, you know. Here we go. And there's a triple. Oh, surely a triple. Here we go. Green, blue, yellow. You know. Oh. Yeah. You know. Do you know? Alright, so 200 X is the now for a triple. Oh, 10x green, 25 when it is a triple on yellow. Triple on a yellow, here we go. It's a triple, hey, 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 you know. Oh, whoa, let's go. Hey, hey, let's go. Yellow, 600x right now is on the line. You can do it.
This is the amount of money issued, 362,587 euros.
It's a 300x, everybody. Yellow flopper. Oh, 6 7,000 wins in total. All the top 5 Gs with a 300x. Oh, look at that. Yellow, you lucky studs. You warriors, ninjas. All of them.
Praying non-stop till everybody time. Cash out all the time. So victories, I'm still proud. Keep it up. You're doing an amazing job indeed. Bells goes now. Latest segments 1s, 5s, 10s. Now we're putting 7. Check out latest rounds by yourself. Maybe they can help you to make a decision where to place the bets. Perhaps. I don't know. Maybe. Crazy Town 3x we have. Can we get the crazy time? Yes! Crazy Town with a 3x! Follow me! That's what I'm talking about! Come on! Yes! Come on! Guys, we got 3x from the wheel. 3x for everything, okay? I hope you're satisfied now. Brilliant and fantastic. 3x for everything. And now you have to pick the flapper too. 3 of them, green, blue, or yellow. Which one do you like the most? Have to choose one. Final second. Majority for blue, highest 300x. Enjoy! We got even double for green, 30 blue, 150 yellow, double for the green. Everything got double. Guys, are you ready? Highest one, 600x. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued 801,176 euros.
300x, baby. I'm feeling now, huh? 11,592 winners. Pay. 150 you got as top victory. Tell us again.
40 winners. Oh, I beg your pardon. Alright guys, another spinning coming obviously, because good things incoming as well. Another spin, good things. And what else? Turbo! Turbo Rapido! Crazy Time 7x. Okay, that would be nice if you could get that. No! Woo! Let's go, baby! Crazy Time! This is how we do it. Go Charlie! Alright, guys. What is it? 7x. Let's go, baby. All right, everything's going to be multiplied by 7. And then that means we have a 700. But yes, we might get some doubles as well. You know, never know. All right, guys. Are you ready? I hope you are. Pick one of the colors. Just pick your favorite, guys. Whatever is that. Whatever is that, and then wunderbar, things gonna happen. We're gonna see what is that. Anyways, green, blue, yellow, ultimately gonna happen if you're not gonna pick anything, so quite simple thing. Just go for it. Let's go. 700x, we need that. Which one gets it? Let's find out. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued 707,054 euros.
We have 175 green and 350 for blue and yellow, baby. This is how we do it, guys. 50 Francois, Harlan, Stinam, Rees. Man, what a legend, mate. Anyways, let's continue. Are you ready for some more? Anyways, I'm gonna wish you all the best. Another spin, another hopefully.
You know, my color had faded a lot, and also roots were outgrown already, so good luck, best close. Summer sounds fun on that side. It's been -3 for days here. Oh, no, in Latvia it's been like +30 the whole week. That's why it's raining now, because it's been so hot. 10x on occasions. Usually in Latvia, if it has been very hot, you can expect some heavy rain, you know, because all that moisture in the clouds. We have, by the way, Cash Hunt with 10x Topslot. Oh, wow. Wow. What do we have? Can we keep the 500? That would be really nice. 100 is the highest, but with the 10x, it's going to be 1,000. And all the 50s will be 500s, 20s will be 200s or 100s. Will we have plenty of amazing multipliers? Very, very nice. Well, this time, I mean, pretty much anywhere you click, you will get a nice multi. Hope you can find the 1,000, of course. We do have only one of it, so hopefully luck is going to be on your side. Decision time has started, so go and make your picks. Do it yourself, leave it up to auto pick. A few more seconds, ladies and gentlemen. And time for the review.
This is the amount of money issued 688,368 euros.
500, so many 500s. Congratulations. We have 55 players with a 1,000x, but 1,469 players got 500. We have Mahmoud with the top win, 1,000x, and it was 98,000 euros. Wow. Woohoo! Congratulations. Very, very, very nice. Best close, good luck. And hello, everyone joining and rejoining us at the table. How are ya?
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.